Andy from Howard's Peugeot and Western Supermare, and I'm going to show you around this 3008 SUV in the Allure specification. So this car features 18-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, there's front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree colour reversing camera. Now inside the car, the touchscreen has sat-nav, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. There's dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, cruise control with speed limiter. You also get some great safety features including lane keeping assistance, there's blind spot detection and speed limit recognition. So let's have a look around.
To suit your current requirements, but that's making an appointment to view a vehicle, using our click and collect service, or taking advantage of Howard's home delivery service. Hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.